Sudesha Singh, and I'm from Smart. And today I'm welcoming you to the second edition of the tutorial series on the Git. Well, today's agenda would be creating new files in a created repository which was Hello World, editing them after creating them, and after that I would be telling you how to maintain your upstream repository on your local Git. But before that, I would be telling you how to generate SSH keys, because the GitHub requires SSH keys, otherwise it won't work. It won't let you clone over SSH or anything. Now, so first thing first, let me tell you how to make a new file. Suppose this is your hello world, and I just want to enter a code which says hello world in like, oh sorry, ignore this. And suppose I have to make a new file which is a source code for something like which prints hello world in Python. I will be saying hello world.py because of course .py is of course extension for Python files, and I will just say print hello world. And you could have a preview here, right here, hello world.py. Well, create hello world.py, it is the heading of your commit message. Like whenever you basically upload a new file, change a new file, and edit an existing file, what you are doing is committing in your repository. So it is the commit message, the header of the commit message, and at default it's create hello world.py. I am going to change it to making hello world, and you can of course add optional extended description to it, and which will be, I'm skipping in here just in that case. And singudeshaofficial@gmail.com, this will be the your email ID which will be visible at each commit which you do. So be careful while committing on large organizations. I will be telling all that later on, like way later on, but yes, you have to be careful for that, because you can be held responsible for your actions if the code somewhere breaks down in future. Well, I'm going to commit directly to the master branch here, and there's another option where is creating a new branch for this commit and start a pull request. It is one of the most what do I say, recommended measures to do so, because, well, suppose you are working with a team and you have, like, if you do a master branch change and somewhere your code is wrong, you have to do the commit again and again. While it would break many tests, it would be breaking the continuous integration. But if you are making a new branch and then doing it, it would save you a lot of worries. But I'm going to just commit directly to the master branch because this is a hello world. What could go wrong, right? So just commit to file and wait for it. Yeah, there you go. As you can see, we have a new hello world.py. See, this is your file. You can later on edit it. Just this. I can just say like, this is random comment just to show editing, yay. And then I would say update hello world.py. Of course, that's actually the, what do I say, default measure, and adding accepted stuff, blah, and then I commit changes again to the master branch, and I will let you see this new comment. It has been just added, and that's your hello world. This was easy, right? Creating new files, editing them, and everything, right? Now let me tell you how to basically create a link between your upstream branch, what do I say, this hello world which you are hosting on GitHub, how to put it down on your local repositories, like on your computer, using git bash. And before all that, I would be following step by step how to generate SSH keys. So Here's this generating an SSH key. Oops, I have an adware out of nowhere thanks to my brother, but anyways, I will be opening git bash. Is it git bash? Right? There you go. And I would copy paste this for now. Oops. I'm just going to say it's like whatever email you have registered from. Suppose you have registered random email at some, let's just say hotmail.com. But be sure, come on, what's wrong with the details? Just be sure to enter the correct email which you have used and just hit enter. Enter the file in which you want to save the key and just press enter. Okay, uh, it would just save it on the default location. Hit enter. It says that an SSH key already exists. I would say no to that currently because I'm already doing that. This is a new key, alright. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's just say I do that. Let me go out again. Okay, let's just say yeah. Enter the passphrase. Empty for no passphrase. Listening for no passphrase. No passphrase again. This is your SSH key which is generated here. Adding SSH key to this separate. Now what you do is, come on, click here and of course paste here. See, agent PID and what do if you are using add SSH. Come on, use this and just go for this. Identity added and add SSH key to your GitHub account. That's what you need to do next. Alright. So what do we do is here. Copy this is come on. Copy this is key to your keyboard. Sorry. And we do this. Paste here. Now what you have to do is go to your GitHub account. And your profile. Oh sorry, settings. You go to SSH and GPG keys. I've already do key setup, but just will tell you how to do it. You use SSH key. You will say some personal, come on, personal computer, and just hit Control V. And once you will add SSH key, you will be completing it. And I won't be adding it actually. I only have one, so that's it. That's where I do it. All right. And I guess I need to redo my thing here. So share at gmail.com just to just overwrite the key please. No passphrase again. I would be doing just a second, eval, and then what am I doing? Yeah, keeping it. I am just going to delete this personal Windows key, alright. And I'm just going to add SSH key, title personal Windows 10 again, add the new SSH, add SSH key. Ask for the password again for it. There you go, personal Windows 10. That's how you do it. Now I would be telling you an important thing. how to get an upstream repository down to your local repository. So how do we do that? We do that simply by, this is it. I would like to go back to repositories. I can do that from here. Go back here. Now what do? Clone a download. Well, you can use either an HTTPS or you could use SSH. I would be using an SSH here, Control C. And suppose I have to go to desktop and see desktop, of course. And now here I say git clone control reader. So now what it's doing is just cloning the repository in the git format to down here. See, what was your name? Hello world. Hello world. Are you kidding me? You don't have any hello world here? It's kind of weird. Yeah, there you go. Hello world. See, simple. The hello world.py and readme.md right from up here. You can confirm that these tools are same, and that's how you do it. That's so simple, right? And that, notice that .git means that this is a Git folder, Git repository. Like everything you change, everything you commit, everything will be recorded. So be careful with that. And I guess this is it for this tutorial. And I would be telling you more about pushing from the local repository up to your upstream branch and how to do more with it. Now, if you have any specific feature requests like pushing, pulling, rebasing, anything which you might have read online and did not understand, you can surely ask us to feature it in our next tutorial. So, till then, good night, have a good day. Well, good night because of the sorry, and it's to good night, and have a good day. Do like, share, and subscribe if you like it. And if you do not have a GitHub account yet, do visit our last video and follow the instructions, and of course make a new GitHub account. It will be a great thing for you, for showcasing your own work, your own projects, and trust me, every company asks for this. Well, anyways, till then, good night.